Did you know that you can restart your iPhone with just a tap of a button? Here's how to restart your iPhone without the power or side button. My phone's running on the latest iOS 26. For earlier iOS versions, the steps might slightly vary. For this, you have to create the Restart iPhone shortcut. Just open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and tap on this Add button. Search for Shutdown and select it. Now tap on this highlighted shutdown text and change it to Restart. Now, open the drop-down menu from here and tap on Rename and change the name to Restart. Similarly, you can also change the icon from the Change Icon section. After making the selections, simply tap on the share icon and from here select Add to Home Screen. That's it. Now you can easily restart your iPhone through this shortcut Restart button. If you found this tutorial helpful, then leave a like and subscribe to Gizmo Rush for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.